Hello everyone, I am Vinod Pujari and my topic for today's presentation is life cycle of thread. So let's see the introduction. A thread goes through various stages in its life cycle. That is, a thread is born, then it started, runs and then dies. Let's see the life cycle of the thread. So there are some states like new, running, runnable, waiting state, suspended state, dead state or terminated state. So let us see every step in brief. First is new state. A thread is said to be in a new state when we create a thread object and the thread is not yet scheduled for running. We can do only one of the following things. Schedule it for running using start method or kill it using stop method. If the thread is scheduled, it moves to the runnable state and it becomes active. Second is runnable state. The runnable state means that the thread is ready for execution and is waiting for the processor. That is, the thread is joined the queue that are waiting for executions. If all threads have equal priority, then there are given time slots for execution in round robin fashion. This process of assigning timing to the thread is known as time slicing. Next state is running state. Running means the processor has given its time to the thread for its execution. The thread runs until it's preempted by the higher priority thread. While in running state, there are some situations when thread is preempted, and these are that situations like suspend method, sleep method, and wait method. Next is blocked state. A thread is said to be blocked when it is prevented from the entering into runnable state. This happens when the thread is suspend, sleep, or wait in order to satisfy certain requirement. Next and last state is terminated or dead state. Every thread has a life cycle. Running thread ends its life when it has completed executing. It is called as natural death. Thank you for watching.